websites now where people worrying about the bees and got water, but
Oh,
you can
right.
just I can feel it. You can still feel it. There's a bit of dampness, isn't there?
Oh yeah.
So
in the
that
mornings,
you can
yeah.
got people say they'll put a water source nearby. You don't need to do any of that.
Mind you, earlier in the year when it was warm, I was watering some old pots, what in a thing,
I
and
think
I
they-
kept watering it because they were going there so much.
Yeah, they
'Cause it had
do,
some
don't they?
leaves and
They
that,
go
yeah.
that, we see them all there.
Find a place. So
But there's water sources everywhere. They've been doing it for millions of years. They know. I mean, even on the roofs, not so much now, but certainly when I went down Buxton, I got them plastic roofs.
yeah,
So there's condensation even on top of the roofs.
yeah, that's true. Yeah.
I know there is a reservoir, but you can't see it. But where that apiary is, if you just drew further up past the orchard bit, they've got a reservoir.
Oh yeah.
So I mean, you don't need to worry. So this is one of the bought queens from Portugal.
Oh
I
right.
bought them 4 queens. Let's see how they're getting on, shall we?
Portugal farm. Oh, so all this year's bee. What was this, a swarm then originally, or was it split?
This was originally when I got the 2 colonies from the guy in Honningham.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Do you remember?
Yeah, yeah.
So I re-queened it with the bought queens from Portugal. But yeah, I mean, you can already tell there. Now,
So they weren't happy with that. Like.
well,
Filling that up,
can't
haven't
you?
I've got a bit more to do.
Yeah, that's not too much though.
No.
We don't want to squish any because they're going to get more angry. Whoa, look at that.
Yeah, that's full of honey. Now.
Good God.
Well, it's not right full, though, Kev.
No, but I mean, it is now in the middle of July, and when they're filling it up like that, you should really put enough super on. But I ain't got the equipment, mate. I'm not going to buy any full
Well,
paper.
that ain't quite full, is it?
No, but they do start to, when they're like that, you should really put enough super on. But hey ho, that said, they have got room. They really need to put more. They can build some of this out.
Took the super off though, didn't you?
Yeah, I'm thinking I'm going to use it over on that one.
No, there's all,
Oh yeah, the super on there, but that's
Yeah.
pretty full as well, isn't
Yeah,
it?
oh yeah, that's all pretty full, yeah.
Can't complain with that, mate, can you?
No.
But these are calmer now because this one was quite aggressive, remember?
Yeah, oh yeah, it's always been a bit of a
So they ain't really, they've been pretty good. So I left the queen excluder off that as well. Remember I was saying to you about some of them just don't like going through the queen excluders. So...
And it ain't really, the queen still didn't really come up there anyway, has she?
No, this is the
Because she
thing.
looked to keep her brood in one bit and they
Yeah.
put the honey in another, so...
They always store the honey above. Alright, I may come across, I've got quite a few of that queen excluders now.
Come
Maybe
across with a
one or
little
two.
bit of a problem.
But I'll
maybe,
just
yeah.
check and make sure she's in there.
Well,
And when I find her, put her back in the brood box, put the queen excluder on, and then if there is any brood in any supers they lay, which hopefully won't be too much, they'll hatch out anyway, and then just backfill.
Yeah, that's true, yeah.
But I noticed that when I left the queen excluders on, and they just ain't going up, mate. People say, well, spray it with this and put drawn frames out, and I've done all that,
Yeah.
and they still don't want to go up. And they just get inserted, and they just keep backfilling the brood box, just keep filling that up, but refusing to go up in all that space they've got.
Plus, if they're not going to go up there, they think they'll fill up and probably swarm as well, don't they? Yeah, so.
You got to try these things out.
That make you wonder if Mervyn must have used them. Make you wonder what he used to do. Maybe he's got something he can tell us. Have you seen it? Hey,
Yeah, you don't know.
he might
That's
say,
good.
yeah, I don't use them stupid things.
Right, I mean that's one of the biggest ones. I mean that's mega, isn't it?
Yeah.
I need to use this up on one. They're all fucking getting full, aren't they? Let's be honest.
Yeah. Come on, just what you want, innit?
Oh yeah, you
Summer
can't
flower.
you can't complain. You can't whinge about all
Too
your
much
supers
honey.
are getting full, can you? That's a good, like I say, that's a great problem to have. And you know they shouldn't swarm anyway. They shouldn't be that full of run out of space. I mean, so this one was. Oh, that was one of the hives that did swarm, and I retrieved her at the
Oh,
white
right.
mark.
Yeah.
So her daughter, she left a lovely swarm cell, capped swarm cell in there. Lovely, it was perfect. And I checked that, say, a week and a half ago, and she's laying beautifully as well.
Oh, that's good, man.
So, and lovely version, you know, brand new queen in it.
Yeah.
And even next year, because, like I say, she's a brand new queen, she may not swarm next year, but with new queens, a good queen, they've got so much better chance of getting through winter as well.
Mm.
You know, you're just increasing your chances of being successful. So they're already up on air, so you know I'm trying to stick it all down, so you know they're getting pretty full. There's a bit of space, but you can see it. I mean, the cat quite
Yeah,
barely.
get it done, innit?
See what's underneath.
Is it nice and- Is it worth it?
Yeah, let's have a quick look. No, I shouldn't really, but there's no need to really check this next one. But there you are.
Yeah, that's almost full.
Right, they've got space though,
Oh, yeah, plenty of space in there.
so I'm not going to. Oh, it smells lovely, that honey.
Oh, landing on me. Yeah, they don't really like being open. You see it, can't you?
Yeah.
Sometimes it's better than others, isn't it?
Yeah, that's still a bit early, and you know they're generally this time of morning they're just more interested in collecting water. That's a sort of, you can tell it's the first job of the day. Sent out to get, because why wouldn't they? Like I said about they are about the condensation. They know it's the water's, it's more condensation about more water. So that's the sort of priority of the day, I guess.